If you want to try to do something passionate and exciting, then I have to introduce it for you. Maybe surfing will be a cool thing, but you have to take the time to master its skills, which will take a lot of your time. I have to tell you that next I'm going to introduce you to something that is as exciting as surfing and as cool. It doesn't take you to spend a lot of time to master it, and enjoy it with your family friends. That will be very enjoyable water fun. It is a drag of PVC. It can quickly pass over the water. You can pull it with a speedboat, motorboat, a live boat, so that it can walk through the water, giving you a different feeling of use. We can offer you a wide variety of styles, in different colors. Different shapes. We can provide you with 1 person, 2, 3, 4 and more.
Let's take a look at 1 person, which belongs to your own enjoyment. We can see that the bottom of the drag is very large because it needs more area to bring balance. The bottom is closed and we can sit on it. We can make different colors and patterns depending to your needs. We have lots of styles.
As you can see right now, here's a 2-person one, and you can bring your family and close friends to experience this very cool and exciting thing. The same way, we can offer you so many styles. If you feel that the position is not enough, then we will also provide you with 3 positions if it is not enough. Don't worry that we also offer 4 seats. It will be very great to enjoy. You can come with more family or friends. In addition to the number of people restrictions, there is also a partial cover and a full cover. The partial cover refers to the coat wrapped outside the inner gallbladder. It is used to protect the inner bile, and this coat is used in nylon material. This is a synthetic fiber and this material has a strong wear-resistant nature, so you can rest assured to use it. It can protect the inner bile well. The inner bile material is PVC. It is very flexible. It can completely withstand the comparative pressure. Let's look at the difference between partial and full covers, which protect the inner gallbladder in contact with the outside, and the exposed parts are where you ride, so don't worry. The full cover is the coat wrapped in the whole inner gallbladder. In addition to this, different models have the number of different traction points, and you can go to a wild ride utilizing a comfortable backrest, or drag them to the opposite direction of the chariot-style explosion that you will never forget. Extensive of double ribbon foam handles with joint protection, anti-slip cushioning handle provides comfort and stability, enabling many different riding locations. The added air cushion sidewall will keep you on board. It can do fast inflation and bleed, which will save you time.
Beckham now. Here's Gerrard, back for Rooney! England are in control.
You can use it on the swimming pool, beaches, lakes, and rivers. You can enjoy the experience it brings to you.